This is CA Dipen Sangvi. Hope all of you are doing well. I'm quickly going to discuss about my journey. I'll try to keep it as short as possible. I enrolled in June 2012 and finally made it as a successful chartered accountant in uh, November 2019 attempt. So it was my fourth attempt that I cleared. Well, journey was amazing with a lot of ups and downs. But today, when I look back, I definitely don't regret about it. It was an amazing journey. Of course, it's my humble suggestion that try to get done with this in first attempt. In case you're not able to do it, it's completely fine. There's always another chance that life gives you. Uh, uh, Whenever I did not make it, I made sure that I get my answer sheets. I examined where exactly I went wrong. I worked on my mistakes and finally I made it. So it's definitely not a rocket science. You just have to change the way you approach exams. So if you keep on doing the same things again and again, you're still going to get the same results. So try to change your strategy, try to change the way you approach the exams, the way you study, get some suggestions and help from your faculties. uh, 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 I used to glance through the problems. This was my mistake. I never used to work it out, and when I used to pen it down and try to solve it, it never happened. Then I started working out problems, and so that is the only solution. Work hard, study harder because there's no alternative for it, especially when it comes to chartered accountancy. That would be my suggestion and only suggestion maybe. Well, for placements, I would like to share my experience of placements, the recent placements that happened in Feb 2020. I got shortlisted for quite few companies, and my GD and PI experience was also amazing. I was competing with people who cleared in first attempt, two attempts like that. So obviously recruiters are not looking for attempts only. Yes, it's one of the criteria, but not the only criteria. If you still have the right attitude, the communication skill, and if you sell yourself properly, then I don't think so attempts really matter. And it's only one of the milestone in life. Clearing exams, not the only milestone, guys. So it's completely fine. Don't lose heart in case you're not able to clear it in first attempt. There's a really long way to go, and nowadays it's high time that guys we start developing skill sets rather than knowledge. Yes, knowledge is important, but skills are even more important. Skills can be like anything. Maybe you can utilize your lockdown effectively by learning skills like Excel analytics, data science, blockchain technology, some certifications on that, maybe learning a new language, or venturing into digital marketing. A lot of things that are available in the market. So you can always develop skill set like that. And finally, I would like to conclude by saying that, guys, again and again, I'm repeating, there is no other solution for clearing CA final. It is hard work, and hard work, and that can only scale you through. Uh, and yes, finally, I would like to conclude. Thank you, AK sir. You've been an amazing faculty. I've done my law classes through you, and very impactful. And I also like to appreciate the current initiative that you're doing of collating all the videos and experiences of qualifieds. It's a very impactful exercise, and thank you so much for giving this opportunity to express. And stay healthy, stay fit, and thank you so much once again. Thank you.